Channel 99 is built to provide multiple attribution models so you can choose which works the best for your team at any point in time. Let's start by defining how each model works. These are first separated by pipeline or by closed one, with each allowing measurement by first touch, last touch, linear attribution, or an influence model, sometimes called any touch. Notice that closed one doesn't have last touch attribution, as the customer or prospect would already be engaged with sales activities. So last touch closed one models give heavily biased data like emails from contract sends or compliance calls. So how are these two categories of influence different? Pipeline influence analyzes all touchpoints from the beginning of the influence window through the opportunity open date, while closed one analyzes all touchpoints from the beginning of the influence window through the opportunity close date. These answer two different questions. Do you want to know how the pipeline was generated in the first place? You should use pipeline models for that. Do you want to know what influenced the deal all the way through closing? That's best for closed one attribution types. Note that the influence window will be defaulted to 90 days previous to the opportunity open date, but this can be customized in your company page under settings to anywhere from 1 day before the opportunity open date up to a year previous to the opportunity open date for the longest look-back period possible. Now let's review this in the C99 platform. To navigate to the Attribution section, go to the main menu under Analytics and click the Attribution submenu tab. This will open the Attribution page where you will see all your attribution models and controls, including the date selector, which controls your view using opportunity open or close dates, the pipeline or closed one type selector, the audience selector if you would like to filter visible opportunities by a specific audience, and the ability to schedule and send reports under the sharing icon. You will also see your top attribution metrics, which include all pipeline generated in the reporting period, all closed one opportunity amounts, ratio of opportunities generated to opportunities closed one within this period, win rate, which is opportunities closed one versus opportunities closed lost within this period, and average deal cycle, which looks at the first company interaction from the beginning of the influence window through the close date. This is slightly different from the standard average deal cycle time, as Channel 99 takes into account the first interaction within the influence window, which may be far before the opportunity open date, providing a more accurate view of how long the company has been engaging with your marketing efforts. Below the aggregate metrics is your timeline chart, where you can view when pipeline was created or closed one, depending on which attribution type you chose in the pipeline or closed one selector on the top of the page. By scrolling down, you will find the more granular attribution by vendors and campaigns table. Here you will see the cumulative opportunity values for each model, with each vendor listed in the left column. You can change this view from vendors to campaigns by using the toggle in the upper right corner of the table. This, like all other tables in Channel 99, can be filtered using the available table filter functionality. If you want to take a more granular look, you can click the underlined values to navigate over to the opportunity section and view each individual opportunity, which makes up this aggregate value. Check out our opportunity section training for a deeper dive into what that looks like. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Channel 99 Attribution. We'll see you next time in the Channel 99 Training Center.